Oh, it smells so good. You see this beautiful tray of chicken wings that is beautifully seasoned with my all-purpose barbecue rub? Oh man, it's gonna be so good. So guys, we're gonna use these chicken wings to make some beautiful, quick, and simple video on garlic Parmesan chicken wings. Oh, it's already pre-seasoned with my beautiful all-purpose barbecue rub. We're gonna infuse it with some beautiful hickory wood pellets for that smoke flavor, and we're gonna do it right here on the pit balls authentic style. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Man, it's gonna be so good. Quick and simple video, guys. Yes sir, y'all stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's turn the power on and take it to the smoke setting. Yes sir, it is nice and hot today. So let's open the lid and we're gonna wait for the rolling smoke to come on through. Alright ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, we got a nice beautiful rolling smoke going on right now, and I forgot to open the smokestack to ventilate it a little bit better, and we're gonna close our lid. We're gonna crank this bad boy all the way up to 350 degrees, and we're gonna let this come up to temp, guys. All right guys, it's been about 15 minutes and we're come up to temp. We're running about 355 now, and let's take a look at our beautiful, gorgeous chicken wings that we use our all-purpose barbecue rub on. Oh man, take a look at that, guys. Ooh, baby, they're looking divine. So it's time for me to place these beautiful chicken wings inside of here. But before we do that, guys, we're gonna spray it with a little bit of canola oil. Alright guys, so you can see we'll place our beautiful chicken wings in rows, and man, they're looking good right now, guys. So, oh man, we're gonna smoke these bad boys to 175 to 180 degrees, guys. So the next time you see these beautiful chicken wings, they're gonna be done. We're gonna pull them off, and I'll show you how to do that beautiful sauce, which is that garlic parm sauce. And man, they're going so good. Oh boy, it's about to thunderstorm, and it's about to pour down rain. Man, Mother Nature is not playing today. So guys, it's been about half an hour. We're running about 360, 365. And let's take a look at our beautiful, man, chicken wings. Take a look at that, guys. Wow. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. So what I have here is a little bit of apple juice, and I'm just going to spritz it just to help the cooking process speed up a little bit and help it caramelize. So we're gonna check on this in about another 15-20 minutes, about half an hour. So let me close the lid and let it continue rock and roll. Alright guys, as you can see, it's officially raining. I did not beat Mother Nature, so we're still maintaining temp, 370 degrees, and let's take a look at our beautiful chicken wings. It's been about 25 minutes from my last video clip, and let's take a gander if they are done. And I'm going to use the trusty thermometer again, and trying to do this while it's raining, so I'm going to choose the biggest one again. Oh yeah, it's beyond done, guys. So I'm going to pull these off, guys, and I'll meet you back in the kitchen. So here's our beautiful 2 sticks of butter that we melted in the microwave. So here's our cheat of how to do this garlic Parmesan chicken infused with some hickory smoke. So take a look at that, guys. Oh yeah. So we got these in a bowl, and what we're gonna do now is flavor these beautiful 2 sticks of butter with some grated Parmesan. This is our cheat to do this. So matter of fact, I'm gonna open it this way. Always shake it up, guys. And I'm just gonna pour, I don't know, about half a cup And just to add a little bit of flavor, we're gonna do some minced or flakes onions, about a teaspoon. And we're just gonna mix it all well and incorporate it. All right, guys, so we're just gonna pour our sauce. And just like so. And we're just gonna mix it together. So it's time for the best part of the entire video, which is what? The taste testing. But before we get to that part, guys, let's do a quick recap of what we have done so far. We took our chicken wings straight to the steamer. We rinsed off any excess debris that might have been in that particular package in itself. And then we sprayed with the canola oil spray just to give it that crispy skin while we smoked it to 175 to 180 degrees. As you saw in the previous video clip, while we was in the rain, it took it beyond that particular target temperature. But these are, you know, dark meat, which is chicken wings. And I mean, this right here, guys, oh man, it's gonna be beautiful. So we smoked these for about a good hour or so and just added our beautiful garlic Parmesan sauce with that butter. Oh man, it smells so good right now. I can't wait. You know what, if you didn't catch a recap, guys, oh well. So let's get into this right now. So I'm gonna choose a flat, just like that. Take a look at that, guys. Oh man, woo, baby. All right, woo. Been waiting all day for this. Wow. Take a look at that, guys. A little bit of smoke ring right there. Oh man, these are so good. Wow. Simple, quick recipe. If I can do this, so can you. Listen, if you like barbecue and grill, this is so good. Make sure you share this video with all your family and friends, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. But until next week, guys, I'm gonna finish this right here. This is Smoking Jazz Barbecue. Peace with the chicken wing.